The allure of Sheesh Mahal, or the Palace of Mirrors, transcends mere architectural beauty. It invites one into a world where light dances and history whispers its secrets. Each Sheesh Mahal, whether nestled within the majestic Amr Fort in Jaipur, the historic Lahore Fort in Pakistan, or the regal Qila Mubarak in Patiala, tells a distinct story steeped in the opulence and artistry of its era. At Amr Fort, the Sheesh Mahal stands as a testament to the ingenuity of 17th-century artisans. Commissioned by Raja Man Singh and later enhanced by Jai Singh II, this palace captivates visitors with its intricate mirror work. The walls and ceilings are adorned with countless small mirrors, each strategically placed to create a kaleidoscope of reflections. The legend that a single candle could illuminate the entire hall is not merely a tale. It embodies the very essence of this architectural marvel. The play of light within the chamber transforms it into a celestial space, where every flicker and glimmer evokes a sense of wonder. As one walks through the hall, the atmosphere thickens with the weight of history and the echoes of royal gatherings, where laughter and whispers once filled the air. Traveling across the border to Lahore, the Sheesh Mahal within the Lahore Fort reveals another facet of Mughal grandeur. Built under the reign of Emperor Shah Jahan, the same visionary behind the Taj Mahal, this palace is a harmonious blend of artistry and functionality. Its stunning mirrorwork is complemented by exquisite pietra dura, where colorful stones are meticulously inlaid to create breathtaking designs. This palace served as a private royal chamber, a sanctuary for the emperor and his court. The intricate craftsmanship not only reflects the opulence of the Mughal era, but also serves as a reminder of the cultural synthesis that characterized the time. Visitors to the Lahore Fort are often left in awe, as the Sheesh Mahal stands proudly among its UNESCO-listed companions, a symbol of architectural excellence and historical significance. In Patiala, the Sheesh Mahal within the Qila Mubarak complex offers yet another glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of Indian royalty. Built by Maharaja Narinder Singh in the 19th century, this palace is a treasure trove of paintings and antiques, each piece telling a story of its own. The decorative mirrorwork here, while reminiscent of its counterparts, carries a unique charm that reflects the local artistry and heritage. As one explores the halls adorned with mirrors, the atmosphere is imbued with a sense of nostalgia, a connection to the past that resonates through the ages. Each Sheesh Mahal, whether in Jaipur, Lahore, or Patiala, serves as a cultural beacon, illuminating the shared history of India and Pakistan. They stand not only as architectural masterpieces, but also as reminders of a time when artistry and craftsmanship flourished. The intricate mirrorwork, the stunning mosaics, and the opulent aesthetics invite visitors to step into a world where the past is alive, vibrant, and endlessly fascinating. In these palaces, light and history intertwine, creating a tapestry of reflections that continues to captivate the hearts of all who enter.